Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Thought I'd make a video of the fodder system in action. This is what it looks like after 7 days. Nice grass. Once the water's all drained out, I'll end up feeding that to the chickens. I'll make a video of feeding the fodder to the chickens. It is wheatgrass. They do love it. I did build a big rack, so eventually I would like the whole thing set up. I now have mealworms over there as well. So this is our fodder system for our chickens. When I'm going to feed it to them, I'm going to sprinkle diatomaceous earth onto the brick. From what I've read and heard and watched on YouTube is that it's a natural dewormer. It's good grit for them. And overall, it just helps keep them healthy. You don't want to put a bunch on there, but just a nice little scoop on there. So, here is the fodder system in action.